Hello and welcome to our letters challenge for February 2019. Today we are lettering day number 23. Just ask for help. For the material we need color pencils, but many colors as you want, but make sure you have the white and the black to create the effect we want. We also gonna need a pencil. I have one, I think this is HB or B, whatever you have. This is just to trace the letters. And you will need some blending stabs or Q-tips and an eraser. Black paper, this is very important. And this is the layout I will be recreating. Enjoy the process and have fun. I forgot to mention, but you need a white gel pen to make the highlights. To write the other words, I am using a brush marker in color white, and this is very good. A good one is from Faber-Castell. And now, for this is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please let me know